if inflation comes down another 1 or 0.2%, it pretty well almost guarantees that Bank of Canada may drop another quarter point in July. So that'll be that second one that just gives a little bit more hope for first-time home buyers. But I think the fall might end up feeling like the spring market, where there's going to be a lot of activity in the fall in the real estate market. I think the summer's here. Again, people have their kids, so I don't know that housing is that they. And if they are, because they want to move to a new school, then we might see a little bit of activity now. But realistically, I think September, October, November might be 3 of the busier months of this year, I think, on the real estate front.
I agree. I 100% agree with that. There's a lot of people that are sitting on the fence. I know when we got that first rate drop, I had 3 or 4 buyers that kind of jumped right away at that, and they went and they firmed up on deals and they moved forward. But I've got another handful that are kind of sitting on the fence still, waiting to see what happens throughout the summer.
At what point do buyers begin a frenzy again of saying, I better get in now?
I would say, I don't know if it'll happen quite by the fall. I would say by spring next year, you might see a little bit of a frenzy, more activity for sure. There'll be more people out there. It all comes down to buying power, like we were talking about.
It does. It's everything today.
Yeah.
That and monthly cash flow.